Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. In this video, we are going to discuss about inclusive education topic. Inclusive education, we can say that the children of all with disabilities are educated in the same classes. That means in the same class, the children with and without disabilities participate and learn together in the same classes. So we should not treat them separately. So the disabled children should not be treated separately. We know that we have all the five senses. The children, those who have defect in any one of the senses, so the children, for example, the children those who cannot see, they have separate schools. Who cannot hear, they have separate schools. So like this they have, who cannot speak, they have separate schools. So like this they have separate schools for them. And though they have separate schools, so we are going to treat them separately. So after the schooling also they need to come and mingle with the society which they are living in the society. So instead of that, the same children with and without disabilities participate and learn together. So inclusive children implies to all the young learners, young people with or without disabilities being able to learn together through access to common preschools and schools with an appropriate network of support services. Now coming to the first one, it's a continuing process. So understanding inclusive is a continuing process. Now the next one is, we need to participation of all, encourage the participation of all students, teachers and the parents. Now the third one is making curriculum flexible according to the needs of the disabled, so while keeping the objectives of education the same for the children. Now as well as the fourth one, providing support for the teachers as well as the students. Now here the teacher should be trained in such a way that she needs to hold a grip on both the children. That means education for all is a motto. So inclusive means all the education is an approach to educating students with special needs. So under the inclusion model, students with special needs spend most of the time with non-disabled students. So fully inclusive schools which are no longer distinguish between general education and special education programs. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.